Well, the special occasion is something that was a surprise to me myself. You know, I haven't been to Aruba for so long. I came in November last year just to visit my sister who had been sick, and I stayed for about 11 days. And then I found out from Mike that he was planning something for me, sharing the love with family, friends, and all Arubans because I did what was possible when I was out there performing and kept mentioning Aruba everywhere I went. When they wanted to know where I'm from Aruba. And I even showed it to them on the map on television in Bulgaria so they could find out exactly where Aruba was at the time. I did what I could, and now they know about Aruba, and they know that that's where I'm from.
Hope you gente conocendo Aruba, mas tanto para Julie, both sides now, Angelina. Ela canta Hopi canción. Ela vira mais popular, ahora ela vai a Chile, representando a Holanda, donde ela gana el festival de Viña del Mar.
Julio, cuando yo lo conocí, era un hombre famoso y yo absolutamente desconocido, un pianista desconocido. No, esto fue el año 84, cuando Julio Bernardo Yuson se fue a vivir a mi país, Chile, varios años, y formó un grupo musical. Y de ese grupo musical yo era el pianista del grupo y empezamos a hacer actuaciones en Santiago, en provincias, giras dentro de Chile y formamos una amistad que se mantiene hasta el día de hoy, más de 40 años. Yo vine con él el año 85 y esa fue mi primera vez en Aruba. Entonces venimos a hacer unas presentaciones, él cantaba y yo tocaba el piano con músicos locales. Entonces Aruba fue un evento importantísimo en mi vida por todo, profesionalmente y por la belleza de este país que es muy especial, así que tener la oportunidad de volver es un sueño. No lo creí hasta el día que me embarqué en el avión, no podía creer lo que volví a Aruba. Fue una maravilla.
I sounded good, but when I started talking about going out of Aruba and becoming an international singer, everybody said this is not possible. That's for Americans and Europeans, but people from Aruba don't become international stars. And I said, well, I don't know, but this is what I want to do, and this is what I'm going to try to do. I had never been able to learn music and all this thing, so I worried about this kind of thing. But Clarence, we practiced, and he played guitar, and he told me what to do and how to do it, and I got on stage, and the first night I heard the applause, and then I knew, okay, that's my destination. I'm gonna go out and become a famous singer.
Esta é cantante arubano que destaca e gana mais tanto festival internacional. Qual é o sentimento não vou poner em palavras. Estou muito contento como família, agradecido, elogio por Ana Duné, depois de tanto anos que ela gana todo o festival. Ela nasceu em São Nicolás, ela vive em Anteco, ela viaja, aunque ela vai viver fora com seus 19 anos. So, yeah, São Nicolás born and bred.
He did a lot. He's international wise, and everybody loved his song, especially Julie. But they don't know that it had much more after that, like Angelina and everything. And he always carry Aruba name up high. So when he go outside to represent, he represents Aruba. So we are very proud of him. This thing is late. They should have recognized him already. So it's better late than ever. So now that they recognize him and the mural on the wall, so we really like that. So it's very nice that what Mike did for him. Because most of the youth don't know really who is Julio Bernardo Yuson. So now when they see that, they will keep asking, you know, who's Julio Bernardo Yuson? Then they will find out when they get to know about him.
I didn't expect anything as big as all this, but it's fantastic. And I am enjoying the fact that I'm here right now to be able to do it all on Tuesday, the 17th.